Hi, I'm Steven and today we're going to be doing a quick build of making a slingshot pistol. First things first, we're going to draw out a little template for the actual slingshot. So now I've drawn it out, and as you can see it's quite wide this way, it's 20 centimeters wide, and then I've made a quick template for this piece of wood which I'm going to screw it onto. I'm now going to chop it out. You can do this by hand, but I'm just using this so it'll be quicker. It's quite rough at the moment, so we just got to sand it down and make it a bit easier to hold and use. For sanding it down, all I'm going to do is I'm going to use this electric sander, but you can easily use a hand sander. You just want to get it a little bit less sharp on the edges, so when we put bands on or when we're putting it onto the next thing, we can hold it easier and work with it. Done that, now on to the next step. Right, so as you can see I've sanded this down and it fits pretty well on there for when we attach it. It's a little bit too big for it, but that's fine. The sanding has made it seem like it fits really well. So now what you want to do is get the right length. I decided on 30 centimeters and then I templated a handle which I had from a BB gun. So I'm going to cut that off as a length and then cut this out. Right, so I've cut this 30 centimeter length and now I'm going to cut this out. I may split this down the middle to make it a bit shorter so it sits on better. Right, while I was making this, I remembered I had a piece of 2B1 which will fit a lot better than this, as this will be way too thick. So I'm going to cut this to the right length. Right, so now I have the three main pieces. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to sand them down a bit so they're more ergonomic, and then I'm going to put them together with some screws. Right, so I've done this, and as you can see it's a very basic, simple idea. You could add a trigger to it if you wanted, but I might make that in another video. So now all I've got to do is put the bands on and we'll be ready to test it. Right, so I've finished and put the bands on. I've given it some burn marks and varnished it just to make it look a little bit better. Now let's go test it. Right, so I'm using stones for ammo. Just pull back an aim and simple. So as you can see it's very powerful. I actually broke the pouch which I made for it. If I was going to do this in future I'd probably make bigger holes and use a stronger pouch, but for a quick little video and for a quick little project it's really good and really powerful, and as you can see it's pretty accurate as well. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment on what video I should make next, and I'll see you very soon.